Every morning, she walks in and turns chaos into a game she always wins. First comes the mail, and somehow her hands make order appear out of nowhere. Then the phones start their chorus, and she conducts it with effortless charm. Checks get counted and listed because money behaves better when she's watching. She sends the deposit on its way, like a promise delivered right on time. Next, she reconciles the day, hunting tiny mistakes before they learn to grow. Invoices follow, and she turns a messy stack into clean, searchable truth. In the stockroom, she counts what's real, not what someone hoped was there. Back at her desk, she reorders early so the business never feels the pinch. When it's time to pay suppliers, she moves fast enough to earn the discount. Sales invoices go out just as smoothly because cash flow loves punctuality. By afternoon, the numbers tell a story, and she makes it easy to trust. She files the proof away, so tomorrow starts lighter than today ever did. And when the owner smiles at the financial reports, she knows the day truly worked.